This is Bill Conrad from the National Association of Podcasters. It's really important that we start getting content out. There's only a few people in the National Association of Podcasters, and the purpose of this organization is freedom of speech, protect it. And these tech tyrants have just gone crazy. And this morning, Facebook put out and censored the President of the United States on information that, at least to my basic understanding, it was 100% correct. And I think under fair use, I want to put up Steve Hilton and Smith Barney. This morning, they brought it up seconds after it happened. At least one organization, being Fox Business News, I think, is getting it right and protecting freedom of speech. So without further ado, after this little clip, I would like you to come back and we'll talk about the National Association of Podcasters and what we can do to make sure that freedom of speech is protected. And as you know, podcasting is one of the last remote frontiers where we are protected. The social media, the news networks, big media, there is no freedom of speech anymore. It is gone.
County. I think I got that right. What do you think about it?
I'll get to it in a second, Stuart, but might I just comment on Governor Zuckerberg, that news we just saw about Facebook censoring that information. We've just had thousands of scientists and public health experts comprehensively say that the shutdowns are killing and will kill more people than the virus. So for Zuckerberg to censor that point of view, we can now say that he definitively is a risk to public health. Zuckerberg is not a fit and proper person to be running a platform at this time that is so influential.
I'm glad you got that in because
outrageous
the story just broke.
That.
It literally just broke, and we appreciate your analysis like that because it's remarkable stuff. And I'm glad you are here to set it straight. Good stuff indeed, Steve. Now,
so that was Steve Hilton. This material just has to get out. It has to get out. I mean, Facebook needs to put that post back. The big tech tyrants need to stop doing what they're doing and censoring people, especially in an election cycle. And it just has to stop. So that said, this is a highly motivated issue. And the National Association of Podcasters, which was established years ago, really hasn't done much. It's just a handful of people behind the scenes, and we need to expand it. We need to get it going. And so stay tuned. This is a motivator to get the National Association of Podcasters up and running. And of course, our first and most viable thing is protection of freedom of speech. And again, the podcast, not through these tech giants, is where we can have our voices heard. Incredible. This is just incredible. Again, I want to give full credits to Fox Business, Smith Barney, and Steve Hilton on this clip. Steve Hilton put it out best. We will track this. We will follow this issue and other issues in the weeks and months to come as we head into the election.